Super Andrew 418 Productions presents Boomerang Bird Finds a Red Light. Hi everyone, happy Thanksgiving Day, and today we're going to have our own universal intro. For the first one, that's the overture. An overture is a beginning. So here we go. Showtime. The following program is brought to you by Universal Productions. Okay, then it's showtime! Boomerang Bird finds a red light. In this house, there are red light and Boomerang Bird. Oh, a red light! Oh, touch it! No way! Hey! That's my room! Okay, that does it! Finally, I'm going to freeze you! Ready? 3, 2, 1.